In front of me is Nubia Z60S Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on blue button at the bottom to start. Then hit allow in all pop-ups, OK in this one, and wait. As you can see, sound recorder is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on flag icon on the left, and to add a photo mark on the camera one. Then hit accept. Tap on while using the app or only this time. Take a pic, and to discard it, use this X. To add it, select checkmark instead. Now to end and save your recording, hit done. Name it and tap on save here or delete it right away by choosing delete option. Now to listen to it, play it. Click on it and press play. To manage it, manage all of those options here and click on those three dots at the top right corner. You can also go back, hold it here, and use all of those options like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!